Molweni, sanibonani, dumelang, apshe, ndi madekwane. Thank you guys for tuning in once again. It is still me, Nongwengwezi, Gogo Kolekile. I'm happy to be with you again. The topic for the day, I want us to talk about Ukuphahla and whether it is effective all the times. I talk to a lot of clients that rely so much on Ukuphahla, such that it became something for me that I felt maybe this is a topic to discuss. You understand? Because sometimes people become despondent ukuthi bathi ngiyaphahla kodwa kudala ngiphahla kodwa umahluko angiwuboni. You understand? And so I want us to think about when is it relevant to phahla, and we understand, and is it always relevant anyway? We understand, because I feel ukuthi yazi a lot of us siyaphahla ngesiXhosa sithi ukunqula or abanye bathi ukuthandaza, but we wait for results and the results are not what we expect, or there's no movement. Akushukumeki, akunyakazi, akwenzeki lutho. You understand? The question is why? I feel ukuthi abanye bethu don't understand ukuthi ukuphahla, it is just ukuthandaza. And expect a yes or no. We understand? And do expect ukuthi sometimes kuzothola ukuthi do. Because uyacela angithi. We understand? Mangabe ucela, it's not a must ukuthi uphiwe. It's not a must ukuthi uphiwe. So these people that we phahla to, these people that we nqula to, you understand? They don't owe us anything. Sometimes uyaphahla, make promises, ukhohlwe ukuthi ubowuphahlile and made promises. Ungayenzi wena lento othe uzoyenza. Whatever you promised, sometimes you forget ukuthi you don't do everything that you as you promised. You understand? You can't, for example, let's say it's 2021 now, and you know that you have a calling. You understand? And you can sense that it's time. And then you phahla. You understand? Pray for Wuti. Can your ancestors give you a break? You understand? Request them, plead with them, to give you a break because you're finishing your studies, or give you a break because you feel Wuti, you don't have enough money. You understand? Whatever excuse you will put, then you phahla for ukuthi, can you be allowed to, not do this now? And you put a time ukuthi, when I'm done with my studies, you understand, I will do this. And then you are done with your studies, and then you don't do anything. You get a job, you proceed with your life. And then you wonder why you are not being promoted. Or let's say you get an internship and the contract ends and it's not renewed. And then you start worrying. You understand? It's only then that you worry, why is everything? You understand? Your relationships are not working out. Things just falling apart and just start falling apart. And you wonder why. But you forgot ukuthi you once promised it was like ukuthi when you are finished these studies, you will start doing, you understand, you will accept your call, whatever the case may be, that you would be praying for. And now so lidlozi ukuthi bathi ngiyaphahla awungilaleli. Really? You understand? It's almost like when you expect things to be done for you, but you don't want to do your part. I had guests yesterday, clients, that They were like, umama kudala ephahla. You understand? Uyaphahla, but izinto zakhe azihambi kahle. And it's been years ephahla. Like, but the minute things don't work out and we are partner, you must realize, you must start asking yourself questions, which what am I doing wrong? You understand? And we must stop doing things with expectations. You can't bargain with those. If I do this, please do this for me. You understand? And I know a lot of people that will be like, if you tell them, no, idlozi lakho needs to be appeased. You understand? You need to slaughter a goat or whatever. You understand? And a person will go all out. You understand? Quickly to go buy that goat and make sure that everything is there. You understand? Because they really, it's almost like if I do this, then my relationship will be saved. If I do this, then things will start working out at work for me. You understand? Do not have expectations when you appease idlozi. You understand? You don't know that sometimes what you are doing at that stage, ukuhlaba imbuzi, ukuxhela ibhokhwe, it may not even be half of what you need to do. You might find ukuthi there is still a lot, amatyala maninzi, and yet you expect ukuthi having done just one thing, everything should just change. Should things not change, you want to give up now because leli dlozi alisebenzi, isihlwele sakho asimameli. You understand? Are we bargaining with ubuhlwele bethu? You understand? Kneeling down, lighting candles, lighting impepho, and talking to idlozi. Do not have expectations ukuthi overnight things are going to change. What you ask for is going to be given to you. It can take time. It can take as much as a year or even more than a year. We don't know how their timing works. What you feel like is a long time for you, if a year is a long time for you, to them a year could even be like a minute. Do you get me? So let us not have too much expectations when we communicate with idlozi. Do it because you just want to, you want to make your intentions known. You want to make your aspirations known to idlozi lakho. As to when idlozi will respond, leave it up to them. Much as, we leave everything up to the universe to resolve for us. You can't force the universe, to now have things work in your favor all the times. Timing is not ours. We don't decide when things should happen. You must, ngesiXhosa kuthiwa beka iemere phantsi uphole. Cela uzophiwa. Ukuba nini asoziyazi, awuzuxelelwa futhi usuku ixesha nosuku. That we must know. And sometimes ukuphahla, I feel ukuthi it is overrated because a lot of people rely on ukuphahla. You understand? Do it. Umuntu like akafuna ukuphazanyiswa. 12 o'clock every day, every evening, ngiyaphahla mna. You understand? There's nothing wrong with that. But it does not mean ukuthi, even the results will be as fast as how much dedicated you were. You can be dedicated, but the results may be slow to come or to show. Akusiwo ophethe uphethwe. Now stop having expectations. And sometimes ukuphahla alone ungenzi. Phahla, but gcina wenzile nawe. Yide uyenze lento kufuneka uyenzile. Ukuyiphahlela, ukusoloko uyiphahlela is not going to make any changes. Praying about it all the times is not going to make any difference. Sometimes you need to put action. You understand? Sometimes words are not enough. Action is what is needed. Unfortunately, that's just how it works. So being angry and, losing your mind over the fact that mara ngiyaphahla but angiwuboni umahluko, you will drive yourself into depression because you have expectations, with people we don't know these people. It's only a feeling and a sense that they are there. It's faith. But it's not like someone came to you and promised you. Nothing is promised. No one came to you and said, if ungangiphahlela kawu-10, ngizokwenzela. You understand? Awuzange uthenjiswe lutho. Do not have expectations. Have faith, but not expectations. What you need is faith more than expectations. Idlozi lakho akusiwo umngani wakho, where you can have you understand expectations and nenza ama-bargain, ama-deals nani nani. You can do that with your friends. Idlozi umzali and umzali uyamhlonipha. Umzali ulindela kuye ukuthi uzokupha nini le mali oyicelile. Umzali ulindela kuye ukuthi amandla uzoba nawo nini. Angeke ubambe umzali wakho ngesixhanti ukuthi hey wena kanti uthi uyenze nini lento. Doesn't work like that. So all I'm saying is asiyeke indaba yokuhlala silindele ukuthi yabona abalethe inhlanhla ngoba ngiphahlile. Uzophahla ude ube mfutshane. Trust me. And another thing on the same topic, a lot of people are asking me, or the same thing over and over again. But angiliphuphi, andikaliphuphi igqirha. Ndazi kanjani uba kufuneka ndiyephi, andikaliphuphi igqirha. It is not everyone will dream of igqirha, that will help them. NgesiXhosa sithi uthonga ulele, uthonga uhleli, uthonga uhamba. So there are different kinds of uthonga. But a lot of people actually trust ithongo leli mawulele. Any other, no. Ukuthonga ulele, yiloko kokuphupha ulele vele. Ukuthonga uhleli is to constantly thinking about the same person over and over again. Let's say you are contemplating with, okay, I think if I go to uMamkhonjo, uNonkwenkwezi, I think angandinceda kule ngxaki. You understand? Every time you think about who is going to help me, who am I supposed to go to? You understand? Once in a while, you may think of other people, but there's one person that's always in your head, and that is Nonkwenkwezi. Ukuthonga uhleli lokho. It's almost like your spirit is talking to you ukuthi actually you already have a person. You know the person. You have met this person. Go to her. You understand? Ukuthonga uhleli lokho. Ukuthonga uhamba. It is to meet someone. We understand? You have this problem. You have a calling, but you don't know who is going to help you. We understand? Ukuthonga uhamba is to meet someone. You understand? A mentor, just nje. You understand? Going your way, your escapades, doing your whatever, and you meet this person, and they tell you what your problem is. Bakubabale. You understand? Ukuthi bathi abantu bakina ngikutshela ukuthi. You understand? And this person is not known to you sometimes, or may even be known to you, but you were not likely to meet them. We understand? But for some strange reason, you meet this person and you meet them again and you meet them again. Spirit is talking, ukuthi nangu lo muntu ozokusiza. But when you want to dream in your dreams, not everyone is gifted like that. Not everyone dreams igqirha belele. That is the honest truth. So if ulinde ukuphupha igqirha, abanye benu balinde ukuza kancele, unfortunately. Yeah, so Ungaphahla uphahlela igqirha, uphahlela ukuthi ulithonge, sometimes angeke uze uphendulwe. Because sometimes idlozi isihlwele asikadibani, abakadibanisa ukuthi siyavumelana, you understand, kuzawuqala bani, kuzawuqala bani, kuzawuqala bani. So they're not at the point ukuthi okay, go to so and so, you understand. But if you go to so and so, to umamcirha, if you go to umamcirha, you'll find ukuthi umamcirha will be able to resolve issues zesihlwele sakho esiza ngobugqirha bakulo mama okanye bakulo tata, you understand. And along the way, bonke obunye ubuhlwele bumthakazelela umamcirha, you understand, and actually approve of isandla sakhe, and bavume ukuthi hayi uzosale sesisebenza sonke. You understand? That's how it works sometimes. That's it for today. Thank you again for tuning in. Continue subscribing, guys, and please do watch the videos. I mean the adverts as well, because that's what pays. I need to, this is for free. The information and the support and the mentoring that we give is for free. So ukukhanyisa kwakho bandla akube ukuthi sometimes nje awuke ube nomusa ubukele ividiyo, I mean i-advert ize iphele. Ngaleyo ndlela ukhanyisela mina ngoba YouTube will pay me. With that, thank you very much. Good luck to all of you guys. Still the beginning of the year. Let's do this, guys. Let's go out there and claim what is ours. Asiclaim impumelelo empilweni zethu. Thank you. Till next time.